Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel, and we are on a little bit of a road trip to talk Ulta 21 Days of Beauty for this week. So if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, you guys, so I am literally outside of Ulta. It is 95 degrees here, so I'm sorry if you hear my air conditioning on, but I first want to tell you that we're going to be covering this week, so the 9th through a little bit over this week, through the 16th-ish, my picks for this sale. And I do want to let you know that all of Exuviance products are 30% off for the whole entire 21 days. You know, one of my favorite exfoliants is the Performance Peels, the AP25, and they are 30% off, as well as some other goodies that actually their whole line is. And I do want to thank Exuviance for partnering with me on this video to show you what I recommend for you to buy for this sale. So we're going to walk in, see some Exuviance, and then we're going to talk makeup. So let's do it. So I am actually at the little center, I'll show you guys in a second, where they're highlighting the Exuviance products, because I want to start here. So the whole line, like I said, is 30% off, and I want to show you though that the peel pads are so popular that they don't have any left in the store. So when I get home, I'll show you, obviously, if you haven't seen my other video, what the peel pads look like and the benefits of them, because they really do help with that exfoliation, a lot smoother skin, definitely clearer skin if you are acne prone, as well as brightening the skin and helping with surface pigmentation. But I mean, I'm telling you, they're so popular, they're not even in the store, which I think is hilarious and amazing. So I will show you though some of the things that I really do like from the line as well, so you can also shop for it. Here's the little stand as you walk in, and the 30% off, and the Total Correct and Sculpt is also this has a vitamin C in it, so if you're looking for an all-in-one serum, but I do want to kind of talk to you about these because I haven't talked to you guys about those, and they are on sale. So I'm going to go to the gondola and kind of give you a little bit more of a rundown. So here I am, I'm at the gondola, and you can actually see too, they're all sold out even at the gondola as well. But a few other products that I really recommend from the line is their Purifying Cleansing Gel. It's for normal to like oily skin types, and the reason why I like this is because it's a combination between AHAs and PHAs. So it is going to be good for, like what they said, normal to oily skin types, but it has the PHA in it, so it's going to be a little bit more gentle, but it's a great wash for anybody that has that skin type, acne sufferers, people with texture, and I do use this just maybe like once or twice a week. All right, and then there's also this other cleanser that I do use as well. You know how we talk about with dry, more dehydrated skin that you need to use a very gentle kind of milky or cream cleanser? This is a good one as well. This is called their Gentle Cleansing Cream, and it does have PHAs in it, and as we talked about, PHAs are one of the most gentlest second generation of AHAs, and so it's going to be suited for all skin types, but especially when we go into winter, you're going to want to really transition yourself into a cream cleanser. So I do use this very often actually as my either first cleanse in the morning or my second cleanse at night, and it's a really nice big size, and it really is creamy, it has no soap in it, so it's not going to foam up, so it's definitely obviously appropriate for normal to dehydrated skin as well as sensitive skin. And this is actually something that I have used a couple of times. Okay, so I have these lines right here, and for me those lines are kind of annoying, and I'm personally not ready to go get fillers. And when Exuviance sent me these, I'm going to show you, I haven't really talked about them yet, and I will for sure in a little bit more extensive format if you'd like me to, but this is the Exuviance, it's called AHA, it's called HA100, and that's basically hyaluronic acid, but it's called HA100 micro filler. They're actually pads, if you can see, with little cones in them, and what the cones do is they deliver the hyaluronic acid into those areas of the face, so you can use them, you know, in between your eyebrows, on top of your forehead, you know, around the mouth. And what they do is hyaluronic acid is delivered through these cones, and it's an accumulative result. So basically what that means is you use them once a week. And then the hyaluronic acid is able to get a little bit deeper into the skin, and it's a more of a less invasive alternative to a filler. So what it does is that hyaluronic acid gets in there, like as often as you use it. So like I said, once a week, and then you find that it plumps those lines. And actually it has helped. I've used it 3 times now, and it has helped a little bit here, which I am super happy about. All right, so let's go look at the rest of the store. So here are the ones for September 8th. These are called Natural Eyes and Natural Matte. They're always a good buy, and the price is like $19 to $22. I probably would go for the natural matte ones. They always have great shadows. On the 10th of September, this is the Razzle Dazzle Berry eyeshadow palette, and this is the Sparkling Pineapple eyeshadow palette. I think they're usually $34, and now they're only $17 each. I kind of gravitate towards this one. This is like all beautiful purples, and these are very soft, creamy shimmer shadows, so they won't show any crepiness, and they're really easy to apply. So that's the one I would go for. So then on actually September 14th, their Bye Bye foundation from IT Cosmetics is only $19.75. That's crazy. It's originally $40. So if you're looking for a hydrating foundation, but that's full coverage, this might be one to look at for sure. And then on September 15th, actually, this is, I think it's either $16 or $17. This is one of the only primers that I use. And it's the TooFaced Hangover Primer. It's silicone-free and alcohol-free. All right, so I am back from the store, and I just wanted to show you these. These are the pads that I was talking about, the Performance Peel AP25 pads. And this is my box that I use. The reason why I like them is because I find them to be gentle, and it's a 2-step peel. And if you haven't heard me talk about them, I have a video on it. I will link it below. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy going on a little shopping adventure. Get it out of the studio, do something different. Let me know what you're most excited about looking into to purchase. And I'll see you all in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.